This crude contraption will allow you to transport the remains of our master.
Can you not simply raise the remains when we find them?
Pardon, Lord, but a being of Kel'Thuzad's power can only be reanimated at a nexus of powerful ley energies, and there are no such places in this land.
Very well then. Let's move out. No one orders me around. Tread lightly. No one orders me around. For the Lich King. Tread lightly. What is it now? Frostmourne hungers. Speak, fool. Tread lightly.
Arthas, stop this madness before it's too late.
Stand aside, brother. I've come to collect some old bones and I don't wish to be disturbed. What is it now? Speak, fool. Now, Frostmourne. At last. Tread lightly. At last. This is more like it. No one orders me around. Speak, fool. What is it now? No one orders me around. Speak, fool. What is it now? Tread lightly. Speak, fool. Tread lightly. Frostmourne hungers. What is it now? Finally.
I can't believe that we ever called you brother. I knew it was a mistake to accept a spoiled prince into our order. You've made a mockery of the Silver Hand.
No one orders me around. This is more like it. You will know endless torment. What is it now? Tread lightly. Speak, fool. What is it now? Frostmourne hungers. At last. Finally. This is more like it. No one orders me around. Speak, fool. Come along now, Necromancer. The powers that you once served have need of you again.
Told you, my death would mean little.
What the? Am I hearing ghosts now?
It is I, Kel'Thuzad. I was right about you, Prince Arthas.
It took you long enough. These remains are badly decomposed. They will never survive the trip to Quel'Thalas.
Quel'Thalas?
Yes. Only the energies of the High Elves' Sunwell can bring Kel'Thuzad back to life.
Then what must be done?
You must steal a very special urn from the Paladin's keeping. Place the Necromancer's remains within it, and he will be well protected for the journey.
As you wish.
to your will. My fate is sealed.
Must be. Blight is created when undead structures are summoned. Buildings can only be summoned onto Blight, with the exception of the necropolis.
At last. Frostmourne hungers. Finally.
Where shall my blood be spilled?
The undead must haunt the gold mine before the acolytes can begin harvesting gold.
No one orders me around. At last. Finally.
Thy bidding, master.
What is it now? Tread lightly.
My life for Ner'zhul.
Speak, fool. Frostmourne hungers. Tread lightly. This is more like it. This is more like it.
Summoning is complete. I wish only to serve. Thy will be done. I cannot summon there.
When standing on Blight, wounded undead units regenerate faster.
Yes, master. I bow Summoning
to your
is
will.
complete. Thy will be done.
Summoning a graveyard will supply the undead army with fresh corpses.
At last. Frostmourne hungers.
Our forces are under attack.
Frostmourne hungers.
Where shall my blood be spilled?
No one orders me around. What is it now? Tread lightly. Finally. At last.
Summoning shall be legendary. Summoning is complete. Summoning is complete. Thy bidding, master.
Summon more ziggurats.
No one orders me around.
Ghouls harvest lumber for the undead army.
For the Lich King. Finally. This is more like it. At last. What is it now? Frostmourne hungers. At last.
Summoning is complete. Where shall my blood be spilled? Summoning is complete. Thy bidding, master. My fate is sealed. I gladly obey. I
Tread
bow
lightly.
to your will.
No one orders me around.
Summoning is
What is it
complete.
now? Finally. Tread lightly. Frostmourne hungers. This is more like it.
Must be.
No one orders me around.
I wish only to serve.
Speak, fool. Frostmourne
Summoning
hungers.
is complete.
This is more like it. At last.
Summoning is
Finally.
complete.
At last. What is it now? No one orders me around. Speak, fool. Tread lightly. Frostmourne hungers. Tread lightly.
Our town is under attack.
No one orders me around. This is more like it. Finally.
Research complete.
Summoning is complete.
Speak, fool. it now?
Upgrade
lightly.
complete.
My life for Ner'zhul.
More gold is required.
What is it now?
Upgrade complete.
No one orders me around. Speak, fool.
Upgrade
What is
complete.
it now? Frostmourne hungers. At last. Tread lightly. Finally. This is more like it. Finally. Speak, fool. No one orders me around. Tread lightly.
Research
No one orders
complete.
me around. This is more like it. Speak, fool. What is it now?
Complete.
Speak, fool.
Our forces are under
No
attack.
one orders me around.
Insufficient mana.
What is it now? Your pain shall be legendary. Frostmourne hungers. At last. This is more like it. At last. Finally. Frostmourne hungers. Tread lightly. Finally. Now, Frostmourne. This is more like it.
I bow to your will.
No one orders me around. At last. Speak, fool. Frostmourne hungers. I'll make sure you suffer.
Our town is under
Tread
attack.
lightly.
My life for Ner'zhul.
Upgrade complete.
What is it now? This is more like it.
Help! The undead have
At
returned.
last. Faithless coward.
Thy bidding, Master. The damned stand
Speak,
ready.
fool. Finally. Frostmourne hungers. This is more like it.
The undead have returned.
Finally. Frostmourne hungers.
Where shall my blood
No
be
one-
Must feast on souls.
Tread lightly. At last.
I grow tired of waiting.
Is it now? Frostmourne
I wish
hungers.
only to serve. Where shall my blood be spilled? Thy will be done.
No one orders me around. At last.
Summoning is complete.
Speak, fool. This is more like it. Finally. Frostmourne hungers. You will know endless torment. Tread lightly. What is it now? Tread lightly. This is more like it. At last.
Summoning is
No
complete.
one orders me around. Finally. Finally. Frostmourne hungers. This is more like it. At last. What the hell is that? Ah, at last. What is it now? For the Lich King. This is more like it. Faithless coward. Finally. Frostborn hungers. Speak, fool.
Our town is under attack.
Finally. Frostborn hungers. Speak, fool. What is it now? This is more like it. Ah, at last. This is more like it. Finally. No one orders me around. Tread lightly. Frostmourne hungers. Ah, at last.
Vile betrayer! You are not fit enough to even carry your father's name! Why Uther ever vouched for you is beyond me. You've stripped him of his honor by casting yours to the winds. You deserve a gruesome death, boy.
Frostmourne, I'll make sure you suffer.
Glory to the Scourge.
At last. What is it now? Thy fate, master. Tread lightly.
Insufficient man.
Speak, fool. What is it now? No one orders me around. Tread lightly. Speak, fool. Finally. What is it now? Tread lightly. Frostborn hungers. Your pain shall be legendary. Ah, at last. No one orders me around. This is more like it.
More gold is required.
What is it now? Speak, fool.
Our forces are under attack.
Light have mercy on you. Your betrayal has broken Uther's heart, boy. He would have given his life for yours in a second. And this is how you repay his loyalty?
What is it now? No one orders me around. Tread lightly. Speak, fool. This is more like it. Speak, fool. Frostborn hungers. Tread lightly.
I bow to your will.
What is it now? Finally. This Frostmourne hungers.
More gold is required.
Must be.
No one orders me around.
Your father ruled this land for 70 years, and you've ground it to dust in a matter of days.
Very dramatic, Uther. Give me the urn, and I'll make sure you die quickly.
The urn holds your father's ashes, Arthas. What? Were you hoping to piss on them one last time before you left his kingdom to rot?
I didn't know what it held. Nor does it matter. I'll take what I came for one way or another.
Our forces are under attack.
Tread lightly. No one orders me around.
Our forces are under attack.
What is it now? Speak, fool. Tread lightly.
I dearly hope that there's a special place in hell waiting for you, Arthas.
We may never know, Uther. I intend to live forever. No one orders me around. What is it now? What is it now?
You will know endless torment.
Ah, at last. I'll make sure you suffer.
Must be.
Tread lightly. Frostmourne hungers. No one orders me around. Finally. This is more like it. Ah, at last. This is more like it. Ah, at last. Frostmourne hungers. Finally. Speak, fool. Frostmourne hungers. What is it now? Finally. Ah, at last.
Excellent work. Now your journey to Quell Thalas can begin.
Tell him nothing. Only you can hear me. The Dread Lords cannot be trusted. They are the Lich King's jailers. I will tell you all when I walk this world again.